Today I want to share with you some ideas about how you can save some money in building some raised garden beds this year. Hi, welcome back. It's Kayla with 5 Canadian Acres. And if you're like me, you're wanting to grow everything this year. But with the prices of things, materials are really expensive right now to try to build some of these raised beds. I want to share with you a few ways you can build these raised beds for very little cost, even free. It could just be as simple as some scrap pieces of wood on the ground. We've also used a lot of just big long logs right along the ground, and they work really well. You can cut them short or long, whatever sizes you want. If you don't have access to trees like we do on our property, just check for ads. You see a lot of ads, people just wanting their property cleared off. So they'll say, come and cut the wood for free. They get the wood cut for them and you get to keep the wood. Win-win. You can also use something as simple as a cardboard box. These are very easy to find. You can go to most of your grocery stores or liquor stores and they will give you away free boxes. And all you have to do is put it on the ground, fill it full of soil, and start growing in it. Some people worry about the box falling apart. I've seen people wrap them in chicken wire or put some things on the sides, but so far I've noticed these holding up really well. They've been snowed on twice and they are thicker cardboard, so just make sure you get a good quality cardboard. At the grocery store, the produce boxes are nice and solid and those will be great to work with. Another great thing about cardboard is that if it does fall apart or when you're done with it, you can just add it to your compost pile and it'll just decompose and give you more compost next year. Another great idea is to use wire mesh fencing. You can find this at your local hardware store, farm store, and there's different gauges, so basically different strengths, thicknesses. You could use chicken wire. This is just a welded mesh and it works really well. It's strong. The price you pay for a whole row, you cut that up and you could have multiple garden beds. You can just put dirt straight into this, but I would recommend getting some landscaping fabric, again, really cheap for a roll, and you can just line it with the fabric to prevent the soil from coming out. You could also line this with cardboard as well, or newspaper, anything to just kind of give a little bit of an extra hold against the soil. These are great because you can make them any shape or size and any height. So there's a couple different ideas of things you can use, and the sky's the limit. Just use that to spark your imagination to see things you can find around your own place or that your friends or family may have they're not using that you can grow in. And be sure to comment down below if you do about what you used. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.